Hello and welcome back to the Bashaw Chronicles. Today I'm going to be making powdered laundry soap. Now for this laundry soap, you're going to need a container to put it in that will hold about 9 cups at the least. I'd go up to about 10 cup container so that you'll be able to fit all of this in it because it takes a decent amount. Now you'll need baking soda, washing soda, borax, Epsom salt, and for scent, some essential oils. You start with 3 cups of baking soda, then you add 3 cups of washing soda, 2 cups of borax, and these are all the cleaning elements of the soap and whitening, and then 1 cup of Epsom salt. This is supposed to help with the rinse cycle to get all of the soap out during the rinse. Take those and mix them all up. After that, take your essential oil and 20 drops of essential oils. I'm using lemon because we like the scent. And I just put this back on and mix it up some more. That way the oil gets all the way through and it's not just sitting on the top. And that is it for making the soap. After that, you just add 2 tablespoons per load. So very small amount. And that is all the soap that you'll need for that load. And it'll work great. Thank you for watching.
Be sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to hit the notifications bell so that you'll get our latest video when it comes out.